Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu the seed from the 13th to the 17th of March 2023 on Monday. It also reaches out to Umkhovu and expresses that he is lost and doesn't know what to do. She tells him that he will bounce back, while Fikile expresses that she wants to push Ngcolosi to fight for what is his. Kemisi get to work on a powerful spell to re-engage with Ngcolosi on Tuesday. Ngcolosi is making amends with his family members one at a time. Maharaj is there for Shreya and Nirupa while they grieve. Svenzile get a chilling message from a person in the past on Wednesday. Ngcola and Sibongile are chuffed when Umkhovu gives Tulele an ultimatum: choose one woman, and they both move out. The ritual at the Rimpasad home will reach there, and as Mira's body is taken to the crematorium, Kemisi arrives and puts a spell on Ngcolosi and make his evil intention clear on Thursday. Mazulu come to the Rimpasad's house to pay her respect. Umkhovu has a nightmare she can't understand. Nirupa and Shreya share the guilt over Mira's death. Umkhovu and Mazulu are shocked when Zitulile announces he wants Isitembu on Friday. Ngcolosi doesn't buy the story from Kemis that Ngcolosi was too tired to join the family dinner. Nirupa speaks to pronounce picture reading herself to move on, and Zitulile doesn't have the balls to communicate his decision to Ngcola. Sibongile misunderstands Zitulile's cryptic talk and thinks she's the chosen one. She celebrates with Lindiwe. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.